Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a vlog style video, which I haven't really done on my channel in the past. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, and if you'd like to see more, I can definitely do that for you guys. So today I just filmed a video. As you could see, like my little filming setup, which is so ghetto. Sorry about that. But I just filmed a quick video and I'm going to be going to Florida tomorrow morning. So I have a lot to do. I kind of already packed already, like the army bag and everything is my boyfriend's, and then the silver one is mine. Basically just packed up all my clothes already, but I haven't packed any of my makeup, my skincare, all that kind of stuff that I needed to use today. So I will be packing that. I also have a 2-year-old son, so I do have to pack all of his stuff as well. And I kind of got some of it together in the kitchen. It is a mess in my apartment now too. And I want to make sure it's clean so that when I come home, everything like looks spotless, and like you come home to a clean house. Like that's so important to me. So I'm going to just bring you guys along while I do that and while I finish packing, and I will insert the clips of me at the airport and everything like that. Let's see what's going on with COVID. I honestly don't know. Like, I know it's going to be different, but I don't know like exactly what they're going to be doing. So we'll see. I'm also going to be watching some YouTube videos while I clean and everything like that. So if you do have a YouTube channel, leave your links down below and I'll definitely make sure to check them out. Also, I did just think that I have to water all my plants, even if some of them don't need to be watered, because I'm going to be gone for a whole week and I don't have anyone checking on my apartment. So I do have to do that, and I'll go through and check all of them and bring you guys along for that as well. So let's get started. Let me know if I'm the only one who like puts the clean dishes in my dishwasher. I hate having like a drying rack out in my kitchen, so I always do that. I also forgot that I wanted to wash all my makeup brushes. I do have them right here, so I will be washing them. I have this really cool, let me find it, brush cleaner mat. I think I got it off like Wish or something like a long time ago, but it's cool. It's got like grooves and stuff so that you can really wash your brushes really good. So I will be using this. And what else? And then I'm pretty much just gonna clean my kitchen. It's a mess right now, so I will show you guys everything that I do, and I'll clean my brushes, and then I'll probably pack up my makeup and then water my plants after I clean some more. I have a lot to do. All right, so let's get to it. These two I realized I didn't even use yet, so I don't need to wash them, but I washed my daily brushes that I use all the time, so that's always satisfying. I know I don't have a lot, but I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup because of quarantine, so I'm just going to get into cleaning up the kitchen. I do have some coffee from earlier that I didn't finish that I'm gonna heat up, so yeah. Is decent at this point. I did clean up this area completely and wipe down the stove. These are my like rags. I washed them with Tide in the sink, like hand washed them, so they're just drying. And then I kind of cleaned a little bit, but I do want to show you guys. I was kind of looking at it while I was doing the dishes, and I haven't shown you guys this yet. Well, if you are following me on Instagram, then you have seen it already, but it's the cutest thing ever, so I have to share with you guys. And it is this basket. I got it on Wayfair, and I basically got it so that I could put all of my son's toys in there, and they're hidden, and it's actually supposed to help with them playing with their toys, because when it's out all the time they don't necessarily want to play with it. I am gonna buy a bin for his stuffed animals, but how sleek is this? And like next to my dining room, like I just love that. So go get you guys this from Wayfair. It's so good. At this point, I feel like I should be sponsored by Wayfair because I buy everything on there, but I'm not. So I just wanted to share with you guys that. But I'm just going to continue cleaning. I think it's gonna be pretty boring for you guys. I will check back with you guys as soon as I'm ready to go check on all my plants and water them for the trip. So I'll see you guys soon. All right guys, so I've got most of my cleaning done, or a good portion of it, and a lot of stuff packed, but now I'm going to check on my plants. I have a bunch here. I'm going to use my handy dandy reader or moisture reader, and I'm going to check on everything, and I'm pretty much gonna water it even if it doesn't need to be watered, just like a tad bit, just because I'm not gonna be here for a week and nobody's gonna be watering it. I do also have a plant like this that I water like every 2 or 3 days because it's in such a small pot. So I'm going to try something new out. I'm going to sit it in a little saucer of water so that hopefully it can bottom feed. So we'll see how that works. I'll test it out because it's pretty dry, like it needs to be watered today. So we'll see if it works, how it looks tomorrow morning. So this croton is totally dry, which is actually good because I would normally water it today, and then that way I won't need to water it again for a week because I water it about once a week, so it's actually perfect. Oops. Somebody actually commented one of my videos recently and said, like, I think you faked all the plants and just bought them for your video, because I did like a houseplant tour video, and they said that none of my plants had saucers and all of them were nursery pots and not regular pots, so how could I possibly water them? And this is how. I water them and water gets everywhere. And then I spend time cleaning up all of the water that drained out, just because I'm too lazy or cheap to go buy real pots. And also I'm too lazy. Sometimes I do always kind of carry them to my kitchen sink and water them there, but I don't know, I just felt like doing it here today, and now you see why I don't do that. But anyways, I'm not big on faking it for any reason. Obviously you guys could see what I'm doing. I'm vlogging all the time, I'm doing videos all the time, I post 2 every single week, so there's really no way to fake it, or if I did put that much effort into faking it, that would be kind of weird. But yeah, so I just kind of spent some time cleaning up after I water my plants. It's no big deal. So my bedroom's pretty much the last spot to check. I will check those hanging plants. I have some on my nightstand, and then I have this plant shelf pretty much here with a bunch of plants. So let's check these out. First, this one's gonna need to be watered because I just haven't done it in a while. It takes a while for it to dry out. Yeah. So for this one, I'm gonna do it at my sink. I love this one. It's my Hoya Crimson Queen. It's a new addition, and she's getting super tall. That was never there when I got her, so I really love her. She's super easy to take care of, and it's pretty wet, so I'm going to just literally give this a tiny, tiny bit. Check in with you guys as soon as I'm heading out for the airport pretty much. So tomorrow morning is going to be a busy day. I'm gonna have to wake up at like 5 a.m. So yeah, I'll probably hopefully start vlogging as soon as we're out the door around like 7. So I will see you guys tomorrow. What a morning. So got everything ready. Son's stroller, my stuff, boyfriend's stuff. We're just waiting for our ride right now. Lyric's having a croissant. Say hi, Lyric. Say hi. Can you say hi? Okay, he doesn't want to say hi. And then just cleaning up. You ready to go? Yeah. Making the bed. Ready to go. So I'll see you guys either on the plane or in Florida.